Good morning, Junior 5. Today we will talk about area of the shapes and how to calculate it. Okay, let's remember first the meaning of area. In Junior 3 and Junior 4 we know area, it means the space inside the shape. And here we will talk about how to find area by two rules. You see here rectangle because we will special talk about rectangle. First step or first rule. If you have squares inside the shape, you can count all of them to find area. So to find area, you can count all the squares inside. You see here how many squares inside the rectangle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So here number of squares 24, so the area is 24 square units. Okay, second way. If you have the dimensions of the rectangle, how we will find the area? Here I know from the last year the area of rectangle, it means length times width. And the length is the longest side of rectangle and width is the shortest side. So if you give me the length and width of the rectangle, you can make multiplication to them to find the area. So the product of length and width is the area of rectangle. And you know how to make multiplication between whole number and fraction or whole number and mixed number. Okay, let's see how to will solve each example. Here, page 141. Let's start by the second question, then we will solve first one. First, find the area of the following rectangle. So here I know squares and I see number of squares. You can count them to find the area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. Let's draw rectangle with an area 12 square units. I need to draw rectangle with an area 12 square units. So I need number of squares inside it, 12 square. How we can use this? Find two factors of 12. Find two numbers, the product of them 12. Any two numbers, like 1 times 12, like 6 times 2, like 3 times 4. Any two of them. And draw. It is a rectangle. Okay, I will draw two. He need only one, but I will draw two to you. Let's draw. I will make 3 times 4. And I will draw 6 times 2. The longest side is the length, so I will draw up 4 lines. And down 3. Okay, complete rectangle. Now do you see how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's draw another one. It is 3 and 4. Let's make 6 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and go down. Let's do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and go down to complete rectangle. When you count them, you will find them 12. Okay, page 142. Draw rectangle with units or dimensions 5 units and 2.5 units. Then calculate its area. Okay, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2.5. So I will stop at the half of the square, not all of this, because I need half unit, not only 1 unit. And complete it. And complete it like this. Okay, let's find area. So area equal, first write the rule, length times width. So 5 times 2.5. How you will make 5 times 2.5? First, change the mixed number to improper. So 5 times mix it to improper. 2 times 2 plus 1. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5 up. And denominator still 2. 5 times 5 is 25 over 2. And the unit of area, square units. Okay, example number 3. Draw a rectangle with dimensions 4.5 and 3.5 units. Okay, let's draw 4 squares and half. And go down 3.5. 1, 2, 3.5. Completed. Okay, let's find the area. First write the rule. Equal length times width. Equal 4.5. 4.5 times 3.5. Let's change the mixed to improper fraction. 4 times 2 it's 8 plus 1 it's 9 over 2 times 3 times 2 it's 6 plus 1 is 7 over 2. 7 times 9 it will be 63 over 4 square units. And we have here the simplest form? No, we don't have. Okay, page 143. Let's find the area of rectangle. Length times width. 3.5 times 2 and 2 over 5. Okay, let's find the area of first one. Length times width. So, area equal 3.5 times 2 and 2 over 5. Let's change them. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1 is 7 over 2 times 2 times 5 it's 10 plus 2 it's 12 over 5. Here we have simplest form. Before solving, you can make them. Divided 2 it's 1, divided 2 it's 6. So 7 times 6 it's 42 over 5 square units. Second one, 3 over 4 times third. So area equal 3 over 4 times third. Simplify, cancel 3 with 3, so it will be 1 over 4 meter square. Okay, number 3. Okay, number 3. Length times width is 3 times 2 and third equal 3 times improper 2 times 3 it's 6 plus 1 it's 7 over 3. 3 cancel 3, it will be 7 kilometer square. Do you see this square, kilometer square? These two, small two, it's called square, okay? Kilometer square. Okay, page 144. Let's read the story and see what we will make. Ahmed has a garden of length 8 meters and width 2 over 3 meter. What is the area of Ahmed's garden? So he gave me length and width and asked me about the area. So I will write the rule. Area equal length times width. So 8 times 2 over 3. 8 times 2 is 16 over 3 meter square. Second one. Omar owns a parking lot. The lot is 3 kilometers long and 2.5 long. What's the area of parking lot? Okay, so the same area equal length times width equal 3 times 2.5. So equal 3 times 2 times 2 it's 4 plus 1 is 5 over 2 equal 15 over 2 and the unit is kilometer square. Draw rectangle with an area 24 square units. Like we said, what we will make, I will find two factors, the product of them 24, any two factors, any two numbers, the product of them 24, like 6 times 4, 8 times 3, 1 24, and 2 times 12. Draw any one of them. I will make 6 and 4. Okay, let's draw. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and go down. How many? 4. Okay, I finished. Last page 141. 145. The area of rectangle of dimensions 3 and 5 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter is, so area equal length times width 3 and 5 times 4.5. By improper 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1 16 over 5 times, yes, it's 9 over 2. You have some form here? Yes. divided 2, it's 1, divided 2, it's 8. So it will be 8 times 9, 72, over 5 centimeter square. What's the area of B? Okay, count squares. 2, 4, 6, 8. It's 8 square units. Area of rectangle equals dot. But he didn't give me any problem here. He only asked me about the rule. So I will write length times width. Letter D. What's the area? 4, 7 and 4 times 5 and 2 over 5. Okay, improper. 7 times 4, 28, plus 1, 29, over 4 times 5 times 5, 25, plus 2, 27, over 5. Okay, it will be big. Let's find the product of 29 times 27. In my draft here, 9 times 7, 63, 3 and carry up 6. 2 times 7, 14, and 6, 20. Put 0 down. 9 times 2, 18, carry up 1. 2 times 2 is 4 and 1, 5. So add, it will be 3, 8, 7. So here it will be 783 over, yes, 4 times 5 is 20. The unit centimeter square. The area of rectangle of dimensions 2 over 5 and 2 over 3. So 2 over 5 times 2 over 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 5 is 15 centimeter square. Last story. A mosque has a window that's 3 over 4 meter wide and 2 over 3 meter long. What's the area of the window? Yes, 3 over 4 times 2 and 2 over 3. So 3 over 4 times 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8 over 3. 3 cancels 3. Divided 4 it's 1. Divided 4 is 2. So only the result will be 2. What's the unit? Meter square. Thank you.